Hello there! Today is going to be a fun session as we are going to make a rocket. So let's see, what do we have in our book? Wow, we see a very interesting rocket right here. So let's follow the steps and start making this. Yes, we see 4 steps right here. Let's grab our pencil and start with the first step. Yes, we will start by making the skeleton of our rocket. And after that, let's make the top part. Divide it into 2 with the help of this curved line. And then make the side wings. Try and make both the side wings of the same size. After that, let's make this curve. And then let's start making the bottom part. Remember to make a very light drawing so that if we make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. Next is, we make a very big circle. Yes, on the top part. And then let's make a circle inside. Let's make the side part and then the design on top. After this, we will make this band in the middle. And then let's make this part. Once we are done with that, we will make these zigzag lines for the fire. Let's make a circle on top and look, we are ready with our rocket. The next thing we do is start sketching this. Yes, with the help of our black sketch pen. Go slow while sketching so that you don't make a mistake. Turn your book in a way wherein you're comfortable making your drawing. And then do it right on top of the pencil marks. Draw the overlapping parts first and then draw the rest of it. Go very slow while sketching this. And then let's make this part. Can you tell me the next thing we do? Yes, erase all the pencil marks. Let's take different shades of grey and start coloring this. Our rocket looks so amazing. At first, we will start with the darker grey and start coloring with a lighter grey on top. This gives us such a beautiful shading effect, isn't it? Continue doing this for the rest of the rocket as well. Let's color these parts with light grey now. Take a very dark shade of grey and then start doing a lighter grey on top of it. Once we're done with that, let's do the next part with grey color. This gives it such a beautiful shading effect, isn't it? Can we go very slow while coloring this? This is great. Let's take orange color and do this. And after that, let's take red color for the top. This will make our rocket look very attractive. Let's try and make a beautiful fire within this, but with the help of our pencil, so that this can be the guiding line for our fire right here. Yes, only that is the space wherein we'll do red and orange till. Beyond that, we will be doing yellow color. This looks very interesting. We will now take blue color and start coloring in the rim of our window. This looks beautiful. Let's do a little bit of grey inside. And then a darker grey right here.